Hi, I have released a new automated MQL4 crowd algo trading system on January 1, 2021. This is a live experiment to show you what is working and why it is working. And I would like you to do it with me. Day 14 is January the 14th and it is a Thursday. Today we have made about $105 gross profit so far. Actually, I didn't even look at the system until now. It is 5:30 in the afternoon and I have spent the whole day setting up courses on professionalcourses.com. That is a domain with a hyphen, because for the original domain they want $1 gazillion. My MetaTrader says that the gross profit since the beginning of January is $686. One of the best things about automated trading is that you don't have to look at it if you don't have the time. Often I don't look at my systems for a week or two, and a few years ago that was unthinkable. Back then I was nervous and often I woke up in the middle of the night and wanted to check my account stats. I had no former experience, therefore I always thought I might miss something that could be totally interesting. We all have heard about people who are not able to live for a single hour without checking their emails or their Facebook messages. That is, because of a kind of addiction that is caused by neurotransmitters. If you have a Netflix account, you should watch the documentation called The Social Dilemma from 2020. A teenager gets addicted to social media and there is a lot that can be learned about trading in this documentation. One of the untold secrets about trading success is that you need to be able to act against human nature to improve your results. The reason why we want to trade is because we want the good results. And we like good results, because that makes us feel better about ourselves. We feel good when we make a $100 profit. The problem is that bad results are unavoidable, therefore we feel 5 times as bad when we make $100 loss. After we have started to trade with real money, we are never satisfied with the results. It is either not enough profit or we want to make back what we have lost. There is one solution for the trading dilemma, and that is to trade small accounts and grow with the results. A lot of people consider demo accounts or cent accounts to be a waste of time, but actually this is what really helps against sleepless nights. I often say that nobody loses sleep because of 17 cents, no problem at all. But when it is a $1,700 loss, that will completely change the game. If you want to join this journey and benefit from the findings to improve your own algorithmic trading system, just keep watching this automated content and be my guest. So what do you think? Would you use a demo or a cent account, or do you think this is a waste of time? If you have any suggestions, just send me an email. Thank you for your attention and best regards from still snowy Germany, Raymond Bauer.